Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am sharing some of the most effective tips that will help you improve your realistic drawings, whether you are just starting out or you have been practicing for a while. These are the things that really makes a difference. Stick around the end because I will also share an extra piece of advice that helped me personally. Let's get into it. Tip number 1. Choose a good reference. One of the most important steps is choosing a good reference photo. If your reference is blurry, too dark, or has a stranger lighting, it's going to be much harder to capture realistic details. Always look for clear, high-resolution images with strong lights and shadow. The better your reference, the better your drawing will turn out. Tip number 2. Make a grid lines. Next, use grid lines. A grid might feel like extra work at first, but it helps you break down the references into small sections. This makes it so much easier to keep proportion accurate, especially for portraits. Think of it like a guide map for your drawing. Once the main sketch is done, you can erase the grid and everything will be in the right place. Tip number 3. Don't blend with your hand. Never blend with your finger. Your skin has natural oils that will smudge the paper and leave marks. Instead, use tissue, makeup brushes, cotton swab, or a blending stamp. These tools give you smoother shading and keep your paper clean. Plus, you will have more control over how soft or sharpened the shadows look. Tip number 4. Keep your pencil sharp. A sharp pencil is your best friend for detail. When shading, a sharp point lets you create smooth lines and clean edge. Don't wait until your pencil gets too dull. Sharpen often, especially when you are working on fine textures like hair, eyelashes, or wrinkles. It really improves the overall realism. Tip number 5. Draw every day. Practice is everything. Even if you don't have hours, just sketch for 50 or 20 minutes daily. Consistency builds skill faster than long, random sessions. The more you draw, the more confident your hand becomes. And over time, you will notice your lines become cleaner and your shading smoother. Tip number 6. Watch tutorial and learn. Don't be afraid to learn from others. Watching tutorials, whether on YouTube or anywhere else, helps you discover new techniques and shortcuts. Sometimes one simple trick from another artist can save your week of trial and error. Use those resources. They will accelerate your progress. One extra tip I will add is take breaks and step back from your drawing. When you stare at your work for too long, your eyes get used to mistake. Stepping away for a few minutes helps you spot error more easily when you come back. Fresh eyes always see better. So to recap, choose a clear reference, use a grid, blend with tool not your hand, keep your pencil sharp, practice daily, and keep learning from tutorials. Add in those little breaks and your drawing keep improving. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.